Of course, where
With regard to?
Puja permission, my lord.
Oh, puja permission.
My lord, your lordship has previously passed orders with the same club, the same respondents earlier. My lord, if I may kindly take your lordships through the previous orders which were passed by this honorable court.
You annexed so many photographs.
My lord, that is only with regard to show that we have been performing pujas over there.
From the photographs, can anything be ascertained whether it is of your puja or somebody else's puja?
But my lord, I have annexed the permissions which were granted earlier.
Alright, so these photographs were not required. See these photographs, who knows which goddess is here, from which puja?
I shall keep in mind, my lord, from the next time, my lord, absolutely.
See photographs of persons, whether this is of which club, which garden, which park, nobody knows. So all these, you are just adding up papers.
My lord, I shall keep
Anyway,
that in mind in the
where
future,
is the permission?
My lord, the permissions, previous permissions, my lord, will kindly take from page 47. The previous
47,
permissions were granted, my lord.
2007, of the year 2007.
Series, my lord, one after
Alright.
the other, till page 71.
Where is this place?
Well, this is in
Maheshtala.
My lord, Maheshtala municipality.
Alright.
Now, my lord, what has happened, my lord, there's a, I shall give you your lordship, the background of the case, my lord, a thousands. In 2017, that public interest litigation was finally decided by the Honorable Justice
Whoever it is, by the court.
by the court, my lord,
Yes.
division bench, my lord. What
Right.
what was passed, the order of direction was there, my lord. The municipality wanted to raise a construction of a community hall in the children's park. Now, my lord, what was found by the court in that order reflected that this is a refugee rehabilitation land where there's a children's park and it has been recorded as a children's park. Now, my lord, however, the court said that this authorities can always change the nature and character in accordance with law to raise a construction of a community hall there. Now, my lord, subject to this particular issue, my lord, there has been issues between the club and the local authorities for granting permission. That is the only reason, my lord, for which we had to continuously come before this court ever since 2023. My lord, if me
Has the permission come up?
my lord, this year, no, my lord. I have made application.
The park is still there or construction has been made?
No, my lord. The park is still there. There's a stay order which has been passed now in 2023 by a division bench of this court.
Stay order for?
My lord, for not raising any construction,
Construction
not
on
to
the
change
park.
the order. I have annexed that order also.
Alright.
Your lordship.
নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আপনারা দেখছেন রিপোর্টার বাংলা। বন্ধুরা, বন্ধ হয়ে গেল পুজোর অনুদান। আপনাদের আবারও বলছি, পুজোর অনুদান বন্ধ হয়ে গেল। কলকাতা হাইকোর্টে যে মামলা ছিল, জনস্বার্থ মামলা দায়ের করা হয়েছিল যে এই পুজো কমিটিগুলোকে এত অনুদান দেওয়া হচ্ছে, অথচ রাজ্য সরকার বলছে তাদের কোষাগারে নাকি কোনো টাকা নেই। তাহলে এই অনুদান রাজ্য সরকার দিচ্ছে কোথা থেকে? এবং আরও একটা বিষয় মামলা করা হয়েছিল, সেটা ছিল যে যাদেরকে অনুদান দেওয়া হচ্ছে তারা কোনো হিসেব দিচ্ছে না যে তারা কোথায় কি খরচ করছে। তো সেই বিষয়ে কিন্তু একটা মামলা ছিল। তো কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের বিচারপতি অমৃতা সিনহা, জাস্টিস অমৃতা সিনহার বেঞ্চে এই মামলা ছিল। তো তিনি পরিষ্কার করে বললেন যে যে সমস্ত পুজো কমিটি গত বছর হিসেব দেয়নি তাদের কিন্তু কোনোভাবে অনুদান দেওয়া যাবে না, এমনটাই কিন্তু রায় দিয়েছেন জাস্টিস অমৃতা সিনহা। এবং আমরা যতদূর জানি যে ক্লাবের সংখ্যা ছিল প্রায় 45,000। সেখান থেকে যেটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে রাজ্য সরকার হিসেব দিয়েছে, রাজ্য সরকার কোর্টে গিয়ে জানিয়েছে যে 41,700 সামথিং এইরকম ক্লাব তারা হিসেব দিয়েছে। বাকি এই 3,000 কি 3,500 মতো এরকম ক্লাব তারা হিসেব দেয়নি। তো সেই অনুযায়ী হাইকোর্টের যে রায় তা হলো যে যারা গত বছর কোনো হিসেব দেয়নি তাদের কোনোভাবে এই অনুদান দেওয়া যাবে না।
11th August 2025. Take down 11th August 2025. WPA P 67/2025. Proshanjit Kaur and others versus Maheshtala Municipality and others. With Santoshpur Udbastu Unnayan Samiti and another versus State of West Bengal and others. WPA P 542/2023.
And there is an earlier order.
Nothing says. Nothing
No,
is.
there is an earlier. There is an earlier order. You should see the earlier order.
What do you
Earlier
want to? What do you want to drive at?
I want to drive at that. You should tell see the earlier order. Earlier order is blood 19 June 2025.
What is your submission? I am not able to understand. You want to make a
Submission-
community hall over there.
We have been permitted to make a community hall, and therefore, not if a loss can takes up the earlier order, that will be sufficient for you to go to the 2 pages order of Justice Human Division Bench. This is where we stand as of today.
What does it say? 19th June's order? It simply says that you have not taken steps under the under section 4C.
Not me. There, the Santoshpur Unnayan Samiti, there was an earlier petition before a coordinate bench. At that point of time, the petition was disposed of, wherein the Honorable Division Bench presided over by the Honorable Chief Justice took into consideration that any dispute with regard to the change of classification has to be gone into and challenged not in a PIL but before the West Bengal Land.
The issue over here is grant of puja permission. Try to understand. It's not an issue regarding construction.
Madam, may I indicate one thing?
Temporary
Your Lordship can appreciate. On 2nd of September, in
তো বন্ধুরা আপনারা বুঝতে পারলেন যে এই রায় এসছে, অনুদান কিন্তু সবার জন্য বন্ধ নয়। যারা আগের বছর কোনো হিসেব দেয়নি তাদের অনুদান বন্ধ করলো কলকাতা হাইকোর্ট।